Hi, M6131. Please introduce yourself.
A pleasant day to my future employer. Hi, sir, ma'am. My name is Evangeline Castro, 36 years old, married with two kids. My daughter is 16 years old. My son is 14 years old. I'm a college graduate with a course of 2 years course, computer secretarial.
Okay, and your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
Okay, tell me about your experience.
I work as a housekeeper in local. For 2 years with four members, two adults and two kids. The boy is 9 year old and the girls is 2 years old.
Okay, other household chores that you do?
I do cleaning, ironing, cook food, and washing clothes. Um,
And you're also taking care of pets, right?
yes.
What kind of pets?
Cat.
How many cats?
Only one.
Only one cat. Okay, so since you have an experience being a helper here in the Philippines, but you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, so my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes.
Okay. For sure you have an idea how to prepare a meal because you have a son, right? And also you have a daughter.
Yes,
You are
I
the one who
know.
took care of them since birth?
Yes,
Okay, so you know how to prepare a meal.
I know.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, wash your hand, check the temperature, and then the stomach, and then the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, you also change the diaper, check the baby if the baby is hungry, and also check the temperature.
Call,
What will you do if the baby doesn't stop to cry?
call the attention of the parents.
Okay, and what will you say to the parents?
I will tell them the babies doesn't stop crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Aside from a safe country, I want to experience international.
Okay, so you want to work abroad.
Yes.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as they like me, or as long as they want me to stay with their family.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, I don't have, but I'm willing to learn by doing watching YouTube and then cookbook, and then if they allow me, I will ask my employer if they can teach me how to prepare it the food.
Okay. Um, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to color your hair into black.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
Taking care of elderly, it is okay with you.
Yes.
If your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you.
It's okay.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, it's okay.
Sharing jobs with other helper.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Thank you for watching my videos. Anticipate to meet you soon and give me a chance to work with your family. I will do my best. I'm a trustworthy. I'm a loyal, and I will do my best to be a good housekeeper to your family. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Evangeline. Thank you.